Why did you love me so much if you wanted to leave me? Why did you love me so much? Why did you carve your name into the soft brick of my soul with hands that trembled like promises? You kissed, you kissed me like you were striving, like my lips held the cure to every itch. Even awake now, you whispered forever into the hollow of my neck. Is it were a prayer you meant to keep? You built a home in my heart with longer and lullabies painted the walls with your stories. Lift your shoes by the door is if you near walk you taught me how to breathe again, how to lung with my body, how to carry without shame, how to the believe in the kid my love that it if when the lights go out. So tell me, where did you love me so much if you always planned to live? Was it just a season you wanted to test? A summer storm you are dancing beneath before seeking sheltering earlier? Did you love me because you were lonely? Because I was kind, because I meant you feel like the world was kiss called for a little while you said I was your anchor, your light though your favorite song. You said I made you feel like you were more than you seekers, but now you are gone, and I am left with a heart full of itches and a band that remembers the shape of your absence. I still hear your long intro in the quiet moments like and chiming in the stormy sky. I still say your smile in stronger would now. Yes, when your face I kept asking the stars what I did wrong, but they just blink like they don't know. Later, I reply, our memories like old films, canny and golden, full of light and the kind of joy that ought to remember. You held me like was scared, like it was the last page of your favorite book. Your present of my skin like it was a map leading your home. So where did you live? Was love not enough? Was I not enough? Were you afraid of how deeply you felt? Did your love make you feel too sad? I would have stand through the storms, through the silence, through the shadows that chase you. I would have held your hand even when it trembled, can when it pushed me away. But you left, and now I am here writing poems to a ghost who once called me. years, I kept your letters in a box beneath my bed, each one a reminder of the way you loved me like you meant it. I read them when the nights get away, when the each be- becomes in inevitable. They smell like you, like ink and hope, and the kind of love that doesn't that last. I wonder if you miss me, if you ever think about the every mile longer field than room they where my fingers fit perfectly between yours. I wonder if you ever playing a heart that beat for you without distinction, but maybe you don't. Maybe you moved in, found someone who doesn't ask so many questions, someone who does write poems about the way you broke them. Still, I will keep asking if you wanted to love, to live, do you wanted to live? Where did you love me so much? Where did you make me believe in fire if you only met for a moment? Where did you plant flowers in my chest if you knew you would stray to say them belong? Thank you very much.